All right, welcome to the final video. This one is to help you build your power grid. In other words, how to invite partners to join you on this epic crusade. And there's really three things we're going to focus on here. Number one is how to pique interest and share your passion, because that's the key to this, right? You're passionate about this, you've started a new business, and a lot of people want to try to explain things. That's not the goal here. You want to do as little explaining as you can. 30 seconds about why you joined Powur, why did you get involved, and then say, hey, trust me, just watch this video. You watched the video, didn't you? Didn't you see the video with Elon Musk and with Obama and with, all the world leaders talking about the change we need to move? Guess what? That's what you're here to do. So number one, you're simply going to invite people by piquing their interest. Number two, you're going to share the video. Now, I'm going to show you in just a moment how to share the video using the Powur dashboard. It's super simple. It's as easy as submitting a homeowner lead. And guess what? You can immediately start to bring people into your business. Once you've done that, the third step is simply to reconnect and enroll them as a Powur partner. They've already watched the videos. They've already heard how passionate you are. Then it's the time to get them signed up and get them started just like you have in your Powur business. And let me share with you a quick little script on exactly how to do that. All we say is this: I'm working directly with the man or woman that is leading the national expansion for Powur. I told them about you and we'd like to speak with you when you're done watching this video. Let me know when it's convenient for you. It's that simple. That's all you have to say. Watch the video, say that script, and boom, you are in the game. All right, so let me show you now exactly how to invite someone using the Powur dashboard, and you're off to the races. See you then. Okay, Powur partner, are you ready to do one of the most exciting parts of the Powur business? Are you ready to build your army of clean energy entrepreneurs? Well, of course you are, right? So here's what we're gonna do. Number one, you're gonna click on the login button in the upper right-hand corner, enter your username and password, and hit the login button again, and that's gonna bring you inside your Powur dashboard or your command center. All right, now in the upper left-hand corner, you're gonna see three little lines. Click on those lines and scroll down to where it says Powur Grid. Of course, you can see Dashboard, Powur Grid, and Solar Grid, but we're gonna click on the Powur Grid because this, my friend, is where you're gonna invite people to join you in your Powur business. Now, there's two primary ways that we invite people. Number one is by clicking on this Join Powur links. Number two is by clicking on this little blue button over here to the right with the white plus sign. Now, I'm going to show you the Powur links first, and this is if you want to send someone to your personalized website or your homepage to register as your Powur partner, and you can do that by simply copying and pasting the link right here. Or you can use the Join Powur Grid link right here when somebody's already ready to go. In other words, they know what they're signing up for, they're ready to become your Powur partner, so you can just copy and paste this link and then of course text it and email it directly to them. They're just gonna click on the link, which is tracked back to you, they'll register, and boom, they're in your Powur business as a new Powur partner. Now, again, it goes without saying that we do not want to spam people, right? We want to make sure that we're being smart, we're being cool about this, we're protecting our business, we're protecting our Powur brand, and of course, our partnership with SolarCity and Elon Musk. Now, that's the first way to invite someone to join, and it used the Join Powur links to the left. The second way is to invite someone to join your Powur business is click on this little blue button over here to the right, and this is really how you add someone into the contact system so the system can do the work. Now I'm going to show you how this works right now. And when you add your prospect contact information, what's going to happen is the Powur system will actually send the invitation through text and email on your behalf. Now here's what's really, really important. Again, we obviously don't want to spam people. That goes without saying. What we want to do is we want to pique someone's interest. We want to get them excited. We want to use the icebreakers that you'll find in your playbook to genuinely get someone interested to watch this video. Because once you submit the lead into the system, it's going to send them a text and an email. And I'm going to show you that in just a second. But what's important is not just getting them to watch this video, but getting them to plan a follow-up call. A follow-up call with either you or preferably a three-way call with you and your coach or your sponsor. Somebody who's already gotten good at rolling someone into the business, helping them understand or overcome any objections that they have. You see, it's really, really important that you set the time to follow up with them and your sponsor. Again, all of this is laid out step by step in your playbook with the scripts of exactly what to say, in what order, to help you become successful faster. So use the playbook. All right, now let me show you how to submit the lead and set a follow-up time to use the Powur system. Now you notice when I hit the continue button, it takes us to step 2 and it asks you, when are you going to follow up? So let's just say that I'm going to follow up tomorrow. I go ahead and put that in there. There's a little bit of a script here, by the way, that you can read that tells you exactly what to say. And of course, there's a reminder that the most successful people introduce their contacts to the video, but they've set up the three-way call with their sponsor or coach. So now you hit the send invite button and immediately puts your lead into the Powur database, and you can see what stage this is in. So the invitation's been sent, but it hasn't been opened yet. The video hasn't been watched yet. And what's cool about this is you have amazing technology right in the palm of your hands to see what stage your new lead is at in their learning and, of course, their enrollment process. So that's it, my friend. That's how easy it is. From here, it's simply your job to follow the steps in the playbook, which will show you how to connect with them, how to get them excited, and of course, inviting them to watch the video, and then doing the three-way call with your sponsor, your upline, your coach, to make sure that they handle any questions they have, they become your Powur partner, and you can help them start building an amazing business in partnership with us and Solar City and Elon Musk. So let's have an awesome day. Let's get out there and invite everybody that you know, and let's shift this world from dirty energy to clean energy as fast as we can.